आज हम बात करेंगे लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के जुलाई 2016 के पेपर 2 के बारे में। हु आइडेंटिफाई द 8 सेंट्रल वैल्यूज ऑफ लाइब्रेरियनशिप, दैट इज माइकल गोरमेंट। एंड द 8 सेंट्रल वैल्यूज आर स्टेवर्डशिप, सर्विसेज, इंटेलेक्चुअल फ्रीडम, प्राइवेसी, rationalism, commitment to literacy and learning, and equity of access, and last, democracy. Which of the following organization declared 17th May as World Information Society Day by UNESCO? In 1969, UN declared 17th May as World Telecommunication and Information Society Day. Bibliographic coupling was first advocated by M.M. Kessler. By which mode management science and research methodology are formed? Distillation. Prefix element of ISBN consists of 3 number of the digit. Who defined notation as shorthand sign? E.C. Richardson. Which of the search strategy is useful to increase recall output? Proximity operator. The Right to Information Bill was enacted by the Parliament of India on 15 June 2005 and effected from 12 October 2005. Who was the first director of Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation? S. Basiruddin. In Ranganathan's terminology, latent facet is hidden facet. Transactional model of communication was suggested by Dean Barnlund. Research methodology involving the construction of theory through analysis of data is known as the grounded theory. Chapter 12 of AACR2 has changed its name in AACR2R 2002. Identify the change name, that is integrated resources. Identify the person who contributed to the development of TQM, that is Philip Crosby, Karusu Ishikawa and Joseph Juran. Identify the correct statement is associated with the UDC, that is AB. It is faceted classification scheme and Paul Atlet and Henry LaFontaine are associated with it. In which of the following studies a researcher is required to examine some specific subpopulation at the change time? Cohort study. Which of the following are associated with the UNESCO program? That is General Information Program and World Scientific System. Collection development principles are given by Melvin Dew and S.R. Ranganathan. Product life cycle is helpful in deciding marketing strategies best fitted to particular stages in the development of services activities, maintaining that all products or services follow distinctive pattern over time, and dealing with the stages of product life cycle. PMEST in CC of S.R. Ranganathan is decreasing order of concreteness and decreasing order of classification. Information under Section 2F of the Right to Information Act 2005 means any materials in any form, thus includes records, documents, memos, emails, papers, opinions, advices, press release, circular samples, and book chapters, journal articles, cell digits, reprints, snapshots of concert. The objective of metadata are unique identification and to eliminate the duplicate record. Identify the following institutional archives or repositories available freely, that is ePrints and Open Door. Identify the following basic steps as advocated by William Edwards for implementing TQM. A, B, C. So, assessment of organization's culture and training process for the top management, formation of quality council. Third, dissemination of information through established communication system and integration of TQM tools, techniques and training. Identify the audio file format for digital library, that is .aif and .ra. The availability option for extending wiki vary depending on the software that runs the site. Identify the correct option available to users using Media Wiki, that is GIS Wiki, W Breadcrumbs, BibWiki, and YouTube Tag and Firestates. Deliberate sampling is known as the purposive sampling, sequential sampling, and non-probability sampling. Are the following indexing journals according to the year of their first publication? First, Index Medicus, then engineering index, then humanities index, and last agri index. Arrange the following doubling core elements in descending order. First contributor, then identifier, the relation, and last right. Identify the correct element of AIDA model in marketing communication. That is first attention, interest, desire, and last action. Arrange the following museums according to the year of their establishment. First, Indian Museum, National Museum, National Gandhi Museum, and last Nehru Memorial Museum and Library. Arrange the following international standard developed in the broader context of information organization in the respective year of the development. C. ISO 2788, B. ISO 214, then ISO 5963, and last ISO 999. Match the following. Pareto chart for identifies the Pareto chart identifies the intensity of each problem in the production line. Then fishbone diagram, that is identify the relationship between the defects or problems and their root causes. Flow chart, pictorial representation of stages in a process. Checksheet, tool of recording variables. News and Lib in 2005, Lipsys in 1984, Koha in 2000, and OpenBiblio in 2002. Match the following. The Gujarat Public Library Act in 2001, Chhattisgarh Public Library Act 2009, Karnataka Public Library Act 1965, and Goa Public Library Act in 1993. Match the following. Key to a given collection. Catalog. Key to literary sources on a subject, that is bibliography. Representation of subject concept. Index. Condensation of document, that is abstract. The size of the document, semicolon. Statement of responsibility, connecting symbol is diagonal slash. Between place and the name of the publisher, that is colon, and accompanying material plus. Match the following. Subject classification by J.D. Brown, Thesaurus by J. Atchison, Clasaras, G. Bhattacharya, Apupa, Dr. S.R. Raghunathan. A classical school, Henry Poyle. X and Y theory, Douglas McGregor. Newark charging system, John Cotton Dana. MBO, Peter Drucker. A selection of e-resources requires almost care and caution in order to make the same user-centric. Reason: availability of seamless online products in the market coupled with abundant internet resources at no cost made the e-resources redundant. A is true but R is false. Results from popular web search engines are usually having high recall, but an indexing database can provide high precision. Reason: indexing databases use control vocabulary which is carefully selected list of words and phrases which are used to tag units of the information, document or work so that they may be more easily retrieved. Quotes: R is true but A is false. Management is the efficiency in climbing the ladder of the success. Reason: leadership determines whether the ladder is learning towards right wall. Both are true. Web 2.0 is a good set of economic, social and technological trends that collectively form the basis of the next generation of the internet. Reason: more than just the latest technology buzzword, Web 2.0 is a transformative force that is propelling libraries towards a new way to offer services. Both are true. Consortia subscriptions are not always beneficial to libraries as publishers bundle irrelevant titles to inflate the number of titles for better price during negotiation. Reason: in bundled titles, libraries have not to pay for the titles which are not core to them. A is true but R is false. Chain procedure is a systematic and almost mechanical method of deriving subject heading. Reason: it does not always operate well only with a faceted scheme of the classification. Both are true. Self links denote link between source and the target of the page within the same site or domain. Commercial search engine report the number of pages with the self link. Self linking, a self linked measures calculate the rate for the number of academic institutions on the web. Links IO and domain links on domain can lead to A and B are correct. The option is not available here. That is a different site on www and page in the same site. Reason for counting self citation is technical. Thank you.